Hello, good morning, student of class 10. Today I am here along with the second lesson after a letter to God written for means of Lencho. Today we have second story, Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. My dear, this lesson is an autobiography. This lesson describes in what way South Africa got its freedom and in what way the people of the country faced the challenges, difficulties, and the barrier of colors, popularly known as the policy apartheid. Here we have a very main character, that is of Nelson Mandela. My dear, our own country is not apart from that very discrimination. We were the same as South Africa was. Here in India, thousands and thousands people lost their lives only to obtain freedom, political freedom, social freedom, economical freedom. Freedom is an essence of life for the creatures. As here in India, Mahatma Gandhi was a leading personality. As you know, the person is concerned to South Africa. And before we learn more about the lesson and the extract taken from the autobiography of Nelson Mandela, we must know our own misery. In what way India got its freedom and in what way the people of South Africa got their own. There is similarity. Here, actually, Nelson Mandela had a deep love and obligation for the people of his nation. So he wanted the glorious land to be free from the discrimination of any sort as it was being done by the white people. He was the first black president of South Africa, but before that he was imprisoned for 30 years, and during this period he imagined a very good nation where there should not be any discrimination, any ill feeling of black and white, where there should be equality, there should be justice, there should be democracy in all the way. So he decided to fight for freedom. For years, he continued from the very beginning of his life. He had a dream to make his people, to make his nation free from humiliation, from poverty, from social discrimination, and from any ill feeling. As I told you earlier, this story is an autobiography, and the people of South Africa were discriminated by the white along with other people. So, freedom was more meaningful, valuable for them rather than any sorts of freedom given by the so-called white people, white government. And keeping this idea in his mind, he decided to give freedom and dignity to his people, to the coming generation, so that they cannot be discriminated, humiliated by the government. This lesson is a complete description of a historic occasion. The occasion was the inauguration ceremony at Pretoria on the red letter day, 10th May 1914. For a short time, I would like to describe the feeling of Indian people, as it is celebrated every year on 15th August. This day is not a mere day, but a red letter day in the history of India. So, 10th May 1994 is very historic. It has its historical importance, its own significance, and by this lesson, Nelson Mandela has described the misery what he faced during imprisonment. But my dear, this lesson provides two different aspects. First, the discrimination of the black people who were being tortured spontaneously and suffered a lot. And the second aspect of this lesson is post-freedom. So you may tell that this lesson can be classified pre and post freedom. You may imagine what were the feelings of the black when they got freedom and they started their own life having no discrimination, ill feeling, hatred, poverty, and other barriers in their lives. Here, as we know, the ceremony took place in the Union Building amphitheatre in Pretoria. Generally, this term is used when any function is celebrated openly, as it happens in our own country. And on that very day, this lesson is an inaugural speech given by Nelson Mandela. The lesson is not short. It has different aspects, and part-wise I shall provide you in what way Nelson Mandela described what was the human disaster as the society was classified in two different parts. The first one of the white people who had a lot of comforts, facilities, rights, and the other, the black people who were kept aside and were being discriminated, and that humiliation brought a great opportunity for them, and they decided to write their own fate by their own hands, and they decided that they should not be treated so much badly, but they should be offered the equal rights, equal comforts, equal social status, political status as the white people had. So, every day I shall provide you my different episodes, different video lecture to complete the lesson. Today I would like to end and say you goodbye by this background of the lesson. Thank you very much.